All right, well, obviously 30 days. He didn't get him dirty enough, so let's get him more dirtier.
No, you gotta do a better kick.
All right, let's show me how it's done.
Type shit.
Let's get him dirty. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Let's go, Mr. Miyagi. Mandarin Sundae, anybody? A little bit of chocolate, caramel, and some strawberry on top. All up on this Mandarin Sundae. What's poppin'? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, even though I'm working on my dad bod. But mind your business, I will be hosting today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Air Max 95s. As you heard earlier, our dude Miguel Street was rocking these things, but they just weren't dirty enough, so we had to do a little bit of extra just so we could showcase how well the signature shoe cleaning kit paired with our brand new laundry detergent sheets. I'll talk about those a little later on in the video, but with all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. All right, guys, let's get this cleaning party popping off. I'm just gonna remove this, get that out of the way, as well as these. We could just yeet those out of here and just get to rolling. Overall, the Air Max 95s is a great sneaker. Personally, I only own one pair of these sneakers. I've always wanted a pair growing up. However, just to that price tag, once I started really rocking with J's, I decided, you know, spend $200 on these or just get some Jordans. And I always gravitated to some Jordans, which is why I never really got a pair of 95s. I actually own one pair. They're actually the Anatomy colorway, which is designed to look like the human skin, which is what this sneaker is based off of, if you guys didn't know. The shoe dropped in 1995, which was why we got the Air Max 95. If you didn't know, now you know. But it's actually based on the human anatomy. This midsole right here is actually designed to be the spine of the sneaker. These panels up here, that's actually supposed to be the skin. Lace loops and areas, that's the rib cage. Overall, it's a really dope concept of the shoe. But let us know in the comment section down below, what are your thoughts on the Air Max 95s? This specific sneaker right here is actually the Air Max 95 Big Bubble edition that dropped in 2025, the Mandarin colorway, which is pretty much one of the OG colorways that dropped back in the day. I'm a fan of it. I like the orange, especially because I'm from Phoenix, Arizona. It's a Phoenix Suns colorway. Pretty much just gonna breeze through this cleaning, guys. Doing something a little bit different today. The goal is to put these shoes inside the washer so we can flush them out inside and out. Just because of these materials, it has that mesh over on the top. The stains on these shoes are pretty deep. Obviously, it had that natural wear and tear from our dude Miguel, but we got them even more dirtier. We threw some tire grease up on these things. We made a little Mandarin Sundae. You know, we had the Mandarin orange, we had that strawberry sauce, chocolate, and that caramel or caramel, whatever you guys want to call it.
I don't know what they call that stuff, but that little like caramel, man. You know, stop playing. I mean, if they give me one right now, I'll tear it up live.
Bonjour. These stains are pretty deep, but I'm confident the laundry system will just flush those out. And we are breezing through, folks. Onto the stiff bristle brush. My favorite Air Max 95s have to be the original OG, the neon colorway. That's just hands down my favorite Air Max 95 of all time. Just such a classic and iconic sneaker in its own right. All right, guys, right now we are gonna go ahead and attempt to tackle some of these deeper stains. So we're just gonna go ahead and put these sneakers directly in our laundry bag, and we gotta go ahead and take care of these laces as well before we pop them in. Oh, there we go. Take care of these laces. Air Max 95s are pretty dope because they have those rope laces. You don't really get the traditional flat laces you would in some of those other. If I had to rank the Air Maxes on a tier level, to me, Air Max 90s are number one. Then we got the Air Max 1s, and then the 95s. That's my list again, top 3 Air Maxes. But let us know in the comment section down below, where do you rank the Air Max 95s? All right, guys, before we drop these in the washer, I just wanted to highlight our brand new Sneaker Laundry Sheets. We went ahead and transitioned over to our pods. This is just more eco-friendly, more sustainable, and it's just great, and it works just as good. With that being said, let's go to the washer. All right guys, with the new laundry sheets, you only need half a sheet and it will clean up to 3 sneakers as long as they're the same colors and textures. Just put it inside the washer, wash with cold water on a normal cycle, and you'll be good. We are back. It's been 24 hours. These sneakers are fully dry and they are looking phenomenal. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the before and that's the after, all using Reshoevn8r's signature shoe cleaning kit paired with our sneaker laundry detergent. But before I dip, we're not done just yet. Let me get these laced up. Just like that, these sneakers are laced up. Let me go ahead and show you the before and after so you can see how well we got down. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit paired with our brand new sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Matter of fact, all the products you've seen in today's video are available. You can actually hit that link in our bio. It'll take you directly to the website and you can shop all your shoe care needs. Y'all know the vibe. This vibe was a little bit different. Normally we break down step by step, every single detail, exactly what we're doing and how we get the results. Again, for this one, I was just cleaning and yapping away. So drop a comment and let us know if you like this style or if you want us to go back to the old. With that being said, my name's Pretty Boy Rob and I'll catch you on another one. Adios.